Today, I am going to show you a hidden Canva AI feature that creates amazing text effects. Look at these examples: 3D, gold, marble, and so much more, all done inside Canva in just a few clicks. Let's get into it. All right, first, add a text to your canvas. Type whatever you want. I'll type Canva as an example. Make it bigger. Change the font to something bold. And center align it. Now, click on Share and download it as a PNG. Once downloaded, delete the text from the canvas. Now, add the downloaded image back into the page. Crop the extra area around it, make it bigger, and place it at the bottom of the page. Now, let's find an element whose style we want to apply to our text. Go to Elements and search for 3D shapes. Open Graphics and find a good one. I'll add this one. Make it smaller. Now right-click on the element. Under Copy Style, click on Copy Art Style, then click on the text image to paste that style. Within a few seconds, the element style is applied to the text. See how cool that looks? Now let me try another one. Duplicate the page and delete the previous element. Let's search for gold, because gold text effects are really popular. I'll add this gold star. Next, right-click on it, copy the art style, and paste it on the text image. And now our text is converted into a beautiful gold effect, just like the star. Amazing, right? And that's how you create stunning text effects in Canva using this hidden AI feature. You can try this with any element: 3D shapes, gold, marble, wood, anything you want. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.